Hello students, how all of you are doing? I believe that everyone is doing great. So welcome back to our another class for subject maths. And last week we learned about counting from 1 to 15 in words. Okay, so in words and in numbers, and how we number things and how we arrange the numbers in correct order. And today we will learn about positions. Okay, so we will learn about some positions. We will learn about in, out, left, right, under and behind. Okay, so left and right, easy. You can just see your hands. You have a left hand and you have a right hand. Okay, so what about in and out, under and behind? So I will show you what is in and what is out. Okay. So as you can see, I have this box. Okay, I have this box, so we will learn with this box. Okay, I have this box, so and I have this ink box. Okay, so now I put it inside, so that means the box is the ink box is inside this box, so the position is in. Okay, it's in. Okay, so as you can see here too, so I drew a box. Okay, and the smiley face, you can see a smiley face, it's inside the box, so that means it's in. Okay, and now what is out? Okay, so it's out now. Okay, like you go inside the class, so that means you are in the class, and then you go outside the class. When you have break, you go outside the class, so that means you are out of the class. So this box is in now. Okay, in the box, so now it's out. Okay, so this position I have, so you can see the smiley face is out, so that means it's outside the box. So in, out. In means when we okay, it's in now. Okay, so the position is in, out. Okay, again in and out. Okay, it's outside the box, so that means it's out. So it's inside the box, that means it's in. Okay, so left and right. Okay, left and right. Left and right, you see your left and right hand. Okay, so now, okay, if I put this one here like this, so that means it's on the left. Okay, it's on the left hand side of the box, so it's on the left. Okay, and you see your right hand, so if you put it on the right side, so that means it's on the right side. Okay, right. Okay, so left and right. Okay, left and right. Under means it's under like this, so it's under the box. Okay, so this position is under means we put something under anything. Okay, like when you come to class, sometimes you keep your bag under the table. Okay, we keep something under the table, under the bed. Okay, so this position is under. Okay, next, behind at the back. So what is at the back of me? It's whiteboard. So whiteboard is behind me, so I can show you too. So now here I place it here, so that means it's behind the box, so you cannot see here like this, so it's behind the box. Behind means what is at the back. Okay, so if someone is at the back, you can mention the person name, otherwise you can see behind me is whiteboard. Okay, so what is behind me? It's a whiteboard. So, and also I can explain you with this. So this box is, I place it behind this, so that means you can see here, so it's behind. Okay, so these are the positions we will learn today, and we will learn some more position. First, in and out. Okay, so in, out, left, right, under, place it under. Okay, behind, place it behind. Okay, so these are the positions we will learn in first example. So next behind we already learned behind. What is behind? Okay, behind is what is at the back of me. So it's a whiteboard, so whiteboard is behind me, and here, so I place it here and turn it around, so it's behind. Okay, between. So now we will learn between. So we have a star, a square, and triangle. Okay, so what is between star and triangle? So what is between? Between means in the middle. Okay, so what is between star and triangle? It's a square. Okay, so the square is between star and triangle. Okay, so between, like we have three things, we have 3 or 4 things, and what is in the middle? Okay, so like here, star and triangle. What is between a star and triangle? It's square. So square is in the middle. Okay, between means in the middle. So what is between star and triangle? It's square. So square is between star and triangle. Next, in front of. In front of means what is what you see when you face eye to eye. Okay, what is in the front of you? Like, okay, so in front of star there is one triangle. Okay, so triangle is in front of this star. Okay, so now I look at the board. So what is in front of me? In front of me is a whiteboard. So this whiteboard is in front of me. So where in front of means what we see, like ahead, what we look forward and we see things face to face. Okay, so face to face, that is like now I'm talking to you, so you are in front of me. So when we are in the class and with students and teacher, they sit in front of each other. So when the teacher talk, that means they are in front of each other. In front of each other means what we see ahead. Okay, what we see in front of us. Okay, like now this box is in front of me. Okay, so this box, I can see this box, so then that means this box is in front of me. Okay, like this. Behind, at the back. In front, behind. Okay, so if I take this box at the back, so that means this box is behind me. In front of, so this box is in front of me now. Okay, between, so in the middle. Okay, if you see 3 things, what is in the middle? You see anything in the middle, so that means that thing is in between of those 2 things. Okay, so this is this behind, between, in front. So what we are learning today, we are learning about positions: in, out, left, right, under, behind, okay, between, and in front of. Okay, if you will have any questions, any doubts, drop a message in my personal Telegram. I will be there to help you for your for this lesson. I will explain you again. Okay, so this is it in the first video. I will see you in the next video, and be ready to do some activities. Okay, thank you. Hello students, welcome back to our second video for today's class. So as you know from our first video, today we are learning about positions: in, out, left, right, under, and behind. Okay, so when we talk about positions like in, so you can check your pocket too. If you have something in your pocket, okay, so I can see, okay, this marker, so it's in my pocket now. Okay, so it's in my pocket. Now I take it out, that means it's out of my pocket. It's in my pocket, it's out of my pocket. Okay, left, so it's in my left hand, so it's on the left. Right, so it's on the right now. Okay, under, if you have something under anything. Okay, so like you stack 2 boxes, so one box is under another box. Behind, so at the back. Okay, so what is behind me? Behind me is a whiteboard. So your task 1, okay, So draw some examples of positions: in, out, left, right, under, behind, between, in front of. So as you can see, so I drew one example, okay, 3 examples here, okay. So I want you to draw at least one example for each positions, okay. So I want you to draw one example for each and every position here, okay. So this is your task 1. I will help you to do this task 1. So do it on your notebook, okay. Use pencil and you can use ruler, okay. So I will drop some photos to help you out with this activity, okay. So task 2 will be posted in the group, okay. So we will have some other activities to make you to understand these positions better, okay. So I will drop some activities in the group for you to do it, okay. So this is it. In the second video I will see you in the last and third video for today. Hello students, welcome back to our third and last video for today, okay. So as you know, today we learned about positions: in, out, left, right, under, behind, okay. So again I would like to explain you one more time before I give you your homework, okay. So I have 2 boxes here, one is small, one is big, okay. So so it's in the box, so the small box is inside the big box, okay. So the position is in, okay. So it's out now. In, out, left, I place it on the left hand side, so it's on the left hand side of the box. Right hand side of the box, okay. Under, so it's under the big box now, okay. It's under the box. Behind, so behind, yeah, okay. And we learn in front. So as you can see, this box is in front of me, okay. In front of what you can see ahead you, what you can see in front of you. Behind means at the back. So at the back of me is a whiteboard, so a whiteboard is behind me, okay. Between, if you see anything in the middle of 2 things, okay, so that means it's between, okay. So coming on to your homework. So your first homework is on page number 8. Page number 8. So you can see boxes and smiley face, okay. So you need to circle the correct word, okay. So I can do one here, okay. So now you can see the smiley face is inside the box, so you need to circle the in the box, okay. So I want you to do the rest of it, okay. If you will have any questions, any troubles, you can drop a message, I will help you, okay. Write down the correct answers. Who is behind Raju? So at the back, okay. So who is behind Raju? So Raju is here, so who is behind, okay. So they are facing towards this man here. So who is behind Raju? Raju is here, okay. Who is in front of Jamie? So who is in front? Now in front, okay. So who is in front of Jamie? Okay, Jamie is here. Who is between Jamie and Amina? Okay, so who is between? Now between we need to check in the middle. So who is in the middle of the Jamie, Raju and Amina? Okay. So if you will have any questions, any doubts, drop a message, you can ask me anytime. I will be there to help you out, okay. So this is the end of our today's class. I will see you on Thursday for your conversation class. Take care, be safe, and thank you for participating, okay. I will see you on Thursday. Thank you.